Middle School, this is Mrs. Parker on this marvelous Monday. Welcome back to school. I hope you had a great spring break. So glad to see everyone back safely this morning. We do have quite a few things going on this coming week, but I want to start off by congratulating our Math Counts team who participated in the state Math Counts competition last Friday, which was the first day of spring break for most of you. Congratulations, Math Counts. You did a fantastic job. I am incredibly proud of how well you performed. Thanks to Miss Ernest and Miss Rodriguez for coaching you guys to get to that spot. Well done. Also, tomorrow night, we have two things going on. We have a basketball game at Fort King Middle School. So come on out and cheer on our Bulls as they participate in some pretty challenging competition against Fort King. And also tomorrow night, if you have a brother or a sister or a neighbor or a friend who is a fifth grader who is going to come to Howard tomorrow night, we are registering fifth grade students for next year. So we are really excited about that. Some of you might want to come on out and volunteer to get some extra community service hours, to take some people on tours. So tomorrow night is that event, and it begins in the cafeteria. Let's make it a great day, Bulls. We have just over 20 days till our big ELA FAST EOC and FAST exam. So please make sure you're keeping that in mind. We have a lot of learning left to do and not a whole lot of time left to do it in. So we're going to buckle down and really make things happen. Let's make it a great day, Bulls. The choice is yours. Go Bulls.
Hello, it's Elias Javalona with a few words of wisdom. Have you ever received a bad grade or made a big mistake at school or home? If so, keep listening. Ralph Waldo Emerson once said, "What lies behind you and what lies in front of you pales in comparison to what lies inside of you." These words remind us that our mistakes and grades don't define who we are. It's our resilience and kindness that truly matter. So, focused on the present, keep moving forward, and as always, go Bulls.
Hey Howard, I'm Mike Okoye, Student Council President.
And I'm Colin Sheldon, your new Vice President. The 8th grade dance is on May 3rd from 5:50 to 8:30. Tickets will go on sale soon for the price of $25.
The 8th grade dance theme is Enchanted Garden.
Hope to see you there, and
Go
go Bulls!
Hey Howard, this is Navard Martin with your fun fact for the day. Did you know that your brain is constantly eating itself? This process is called phagocytosis, where cells envelop and consume smaller cells or molecules to remove them from the system. However, phagocytosis isn't harmful, but actually helps preserve your gray matter. Gray matter enables individuals to control movement, memory, and emotions. This has been Navard Martin, and go Bulls!